Today's video will guide you through navigating changes in immigration status, focusing on the impact of recent updates on a family's humanitarian parole and work permits in the U.S. Here's what we'll cover today. Understanding the updated immigration status, the consequences of being out of status, how pregnancy might affect deportation decisions, exploring options and considerations for legal status, potential pathways such as asylum or marriage, the importance of legal advice, and additional steps to take. Individuals who were granted humanitarian parole in October 2024 were initially allowed to stay in the United States until October 2026, as indicated on their I-94 forms. The husband's work permit, under the C-11 category, valid until October 2026, while the wife applied for hers in February 2025. However, their I-94 forms recently changed, shortening the stay to April 2025. This is where the complications began. The altered I-94 status has led to severe implications, especially where the wife's work permit application was denied and the husband's previously approved work permit was revoked. Being out of status means facing risks like deportations and more difficulties in obtaining immigration benefits in the future. The wife's pregnancy adds more complexity to the situation. Deportation decisions are usually considered on a case-by-case basis, where various factors are evaluated by immigration officials. Therefore, it is crucial to seek immediate legal counsel to understand the potential impact of deportation. Staying informed about immigration policies and their potential changes is vital. Different humanitarian parole programs may be subject to modification. Hence, individuals should seek alternative pathways to legalize their status. Common pathways include seeking asylum if there is a credible fear of persecution in the home country, though the process is quite complex and requires substantial evidence. Another option might be marriage to a U.S. citizen, which could provide a path to a green card but with unique considerations per case. Immediate consultation with an immigration attorney is crucial, as they can assess the case specifics, explore available options, and guide the best action course. Timely intervention is necessary, since delays can worsen the situation. In addition to seeking legal advice, it's important to document all communications and decisions from immigration authorities. Keeping detailed records of each application and any related paperwork is vital, and preparing for possible enforcement actions by having all necessary documents ready is crucial. To wrap up, it is crucial to understand your immigration status changes. The consequences of being out of status are severe, making legal advice indispensable. However, various pathways are available depending on the situation. Let's put some of this information to the test. What is one potential pathway for obtaining legal status mentioned in the video? Your options are asylum, tourist visa, student visa, and temporary worker. You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and then we'll discuss it in the next section of the video. The right answer is asylum. It's mentioned as a potential legal status pathway for those with a well-founded fear of persecution. It's important to consider this option based on individual circumstances. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. We love hearing your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below.